Hello guys, welcome to the 11th video tutorial of Code Beginners. In this video, I am going to show you how can you add table headers, table names and how can you style your table. Alright, so first let's see what is the output of that code, what we have on our output. You can see that we have a table having the name of original vampires and their ages. Alright, so I want the heading of this table should be in that column. I want a header named as original vampire, and in this column I want as heading age. Alright, so let's do it, and then I want a table name as a whole. Let's do it now in the code. So you are required to write first a header. Alright, you are required to, so you will be needing a t head for the head of the table, like html file has a head. In that case you can see this, and if we go to the output, then we can see that code beginners appears here. That is basically the head of the file, and all the stuff that we put here is basically in the body. I mean, that is the body of the HTML file, and that is the head of HTML file. Hope the concept is clear to you now. Alright, so let's go to our text editor and see what we can do. I would like to add in the head table header. So before that, I would like to include that thing in my table body. So in order to do that, I have to evolve it under the tags, the body tag, basically table body tags. Okay, so let's write it t body. Yeah, here it is. Now just remove it from here. I'm gonna cut it and just paste here right after the last tier tag. Alright, so you have pasted successfully, and now you have your table body and your table head. Okay, so now you are required to write a th tag that represents the column head. Basically, whatever you will write here will appear in the column in the form of header, you can say. Alright, so let's write here original vampires. Alright, so let's copy paste it and write one more time. For this is understood that in rows, if you are writing this th tag, then you are adding the columns. Alright, this is pretty obvious. So I forgot to add tr tags here, so you are right to enclose them with tr tags. Basically I am writing this th in place of td, and I'm adding it into the row tags. Alright, this thing you need to remember. I would like to write here ages. Okay, ages. Alright, so let's save it and refresh it. You can see that it appears here. Alright, so after that, what you are required to do, you need a table heading, basically. Okay, so that you may able to see those table heading into that table body, basically right upside. Okay, so for that I will write tr tag inside this head. It means I am adding one row here. Okay, and in that row I'm adding a head tag. Okay, all right, so let's write here the all original vampires. Okay, so let's see what it look like. because after that I'm going to tell you how can you make it a heading. Look at that. It appears only in that place. It is covering that column. I mean, it is appearing in only one column, not covering that part. I want that it should cover it that part too. Alright. So let's do it. For that, I will write here property core span is equal to I would like to give here a value. Alright, there are two columns, so I would give it two values so that it may cover two columns. Alright, if there could be three columns, then I will have given it the three value. Cos span is equal to 3. Alright, so for now I will give it 2, and let's save it, cancel it, and now if I run it, then you can see that it has covered all the area. Alright, so let's come to styling and add a little bit style in that. You are quite familiar with that, but in order to do it for you, that maybe it could be your CSS practice. Alright, for that I will write here style is equal to, let's give it a color and change it to blue. Okay, so let's save it, let's run it. Now you can see that the color has been changed. Okay, so using that technique you can add colors, you can add much more things. So in my next video I'm going to tell you how can you add images in your table and how can you use your table at the next level. So I will tell you all that stuff. So for that, stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe my channel if you really like the video.